Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Hake's Crew Unboxing and Reviews. Today I'm gonna open a package I got from Strictly Limited Games. I haven't seen anybody do this before, open one of these before, so here it is. Space Invaders Invincible Collection. Comes with a postcard, a pin, and a Nintendo Switch game. It's got 11 games on it. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and open it up. We'll go ahead and open this up. I had a little problem getting this actually from the post office. I got a tracking number, and if you're in the U.S. and you don't have USPS, United States Postal Service informed delivery, you should sign up for it because it'll tell you when you got packages and your other mail coming in, whatever. So I got a tracking number in there that said. It didn't say what it was, but I looked it up. It said it was from Germany, so I figured it was probably this. And it said around 6 o'clock yesterday morning, it said it was on the way. And then around 2 o'clock in the afternoon, it said it had to go back to the post office or whatever because it was something about address verification. And I ended up going down to the post office yesterday. I picked it up, but I haven't opened it up until just now. But yeah, so here we are. Nice. This came. Inlay. And again, the front and back cover. There it is. Alright, now for a little gameplay.
Space Invaders Extreme. Stage 1A. Grade up. Grade up. Grade up. Stage result. Total result. Space Invaders Extreme.
So at this point, you might be wondering, well, you said there was 11 games, but I only counted 10. What's up with that? Well, as you can see, there's another game here, Arkanoid versus Space Invaders. It's part of the same collection. It's on the same cartridge. As you see the little cartridge icon there, and then when I take out the cartridge, it disappears. same cartridge. But for some reason, it has to be a separate icon on the menu. I don't really know why. I guess because it's a cell phone game. Started out as a cell phone game. And as you might have saw, I tried to play it on the TV, but it doesn't work. It only works in handheld and touchscreen and vertical. So let's check it out. Arkanoid vs. Space Invaders, Nintendo Switch Edition, etc. Can't be played on a TV, blah blah, something like that. I can't see, my finger's in the way. But it's also hard, I'm looking on the camera. Yeah. But yeah, that's basically it. So you got Space Invaders Invincible collection for the Nintendo Switch. Said it's only English version is from Strictly Limited Games in the US. The only, not really the US, it's Strictly Limited is based in Europe, but it's closest we got to a full US version. They did come out with one. So the story of the game is, initially we got Space Invaders Invincible collection, came out in Japan last year or the year before, I forget, but it came out in a couple of different versions. You got the regular basic edition, which has just 8 games on it. Then you got and the ones that was missing from this would be Space Invaders DX, Space Cyclone, and Lunar Rescue. Only way to get those 3 games in Japan was to buy the Super Duper Deluxe edition that comes with a whole bunch of little toys and things. There's a couple different versions of that you can get for like $200 if you really want it that bad. You know, get some collector's items or whatever with it. But I didn't want to spend that much on it, and I wanted all the games, so I went ahead and got this version. Because the only other version that's available in the U.S. and Europe, I think, is called Space Invaders Forever. And that one only has 3 games on it, which to me is kind of a waste of money. It only has Arkanoid vs. Space Invaders, Space Invaders Gigamax 4 SE, and Space Invaders Extreme. And that version is the only one I think that's on PlayStation 4 as well. For some reason, PlayStation 4 owners get to play Arkanoid vs. Space Invaders on their TV. It's not fair. I don't know. Only way, if you don't have a PlayStation 4, only way to play it on the TV is the phone version. I was playing on the Android. I downloaded and I cast it to the TV, but you still can't use a controller. You still have to use the touchscreen, so it kind of, you know, but at least you can see it on the TV, so, you know, whatever. But yeah, the Switch version is great as well. Just wish you could play it on the TV. Maybe they'll patch the controller later at some point with the option to play it the same way the PlayStation 4 version plays. But, you know, whatever. But yeah, so the games on this collection, you got Space Invaders Extreme, or Space Invaders, the original black and white version, Space Invaders Color, same game but in color, Space Invaders Part 2, Majestic 12, the Space Invaders Part 4, and for some reason
I believe that was the U.S. title. It also has the Japanese version, which was called Super Space Invaders 91. They're both on there as separate games for some reason, just as Color and Black and White are on there as separate games. Uh, Space Invaders Extreme, which was a DS game. I never played it before. Before today, I never played it on the DS, but it's supposed to be really good. I guess it was on PC, and there was a part 2 on DS as well. And I believe this port is based on the PC version. Space Invaders Gigamax 4 SE, which is one of those big giant games in the arcade. It was like 16 players or something. This version is only 4 players, but still looks pretty cool. Arkanoid versus Space Invaders. Space Invaders DX, which was almost the same game that was released on the Super Nintendo without the parody mode, though. Yeah, which is basically the same game. The main game is just like the regular Space Invaders, but it has different color options and things like that. Space Cyclone and Lunar Rescue. So I think it's a pretty good deal. I think I paid about $70 or something for it after shipping to the U.S. from Germany. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I recommend it if you're a Space Invaders fan. But yeah, so there it is. That's this unboxing, and I hope you guys like it. And please check out our other vlog videos and everything on this channel. And have a good day. Bye.